I'm in a disguise. I'm bird watching, and I'm trying to find a few eggs for breakfast. See if I can find some, because I saw some birds over here. I wanted to see what they are. Oh, there's a birdhouse. Look. Oh, I know what those are. Those are the nuthatches. Pretty small eggs, though. Oh, well. Let's keep moving on. Careful. What's over here? Oh, an empty schoolhouse. I wonder who's in there. Ow! Ooh, that must be the woodpecker. I'm not going near him anymore. What else do I see? Nest fell down. Oh, look at that. Who could that be? Little owl. He's already hatched, so I can't use him. Let me see where else I can go. Oh, look, way over here. A pair of mourning doves. Oh, aren't they cute? No eggs there, though. Look, they must be going shopping. Getting stuff early for Christmas. Good for them. Wow. Keep going. I need some more eggs for breakfast. Oh, mommy bird, look. Baby bird, he's out of the nest. I've missed getting the eggs. He's going to go start flying today. Well, good for him, but I didn't get any eggs. Let's see what's... Oh, look, over there. Another birdhouse. I've seen that one before. I know who lives here. I've seen him before. There he is. Look, it's a blue jay. Wow. Wonder what kind of performance he'll do this year for me. Give me lots of eggs, buddy. Well, it wasn't that successful, but oh, there are my eggs. And I'm going to have to nest on them, so I do need my privacy. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.